Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of my 10 days of fall. Today is this kind of ceramic look mug. No, not a mug, stainless wine glass. This is a 20 ounce. It's like a bigger size, but my idea with this was to kind of mimic the look of like a ceramic pottery piece with how they do the glaze, and the glaze is shiny and the pottery part is more of a matte finish. So that's what I did on this cup. I know it's not really like a fall theme, but it is very fall looking to me, like just the colors. It's very like cozy kind of, I don't know. That just made sense to me. So don't forget to come back for tomorrow for day 6. Let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting out with this 20 ounce kind of rounded wine glass shape, but I really like it because it's like big and round. It's not your typical stemless wine glass. So taking off the lid and the stickers. I also take off the bottom like rubber part, then prepped with Mattify and a red pad. Then once that was dry, I'm going in with the black from Rust-Oleum just to start with a dark base. Because there is that metal rim, I didn't want the gray and silver to make a difference and make a line in my cup. So then we're going on with Colorfix in Taupe. This is one of our paints, the 3-in-1 paints, but today I'm just using it for a paint, not as a glitter adhesive. And I'm using one of our brushes. This is a large brush. It's a makeup brush. It's a fluffy brush, and it just puts these paints on so nice and smooth. So just doing a full coverage of the Taupe paint. And normally I just do the up and down motions, but I felt like for this, I wanted to kind of give it almost a little bit of a texture. Because pottery has that texture, you really couldn't tell in the end anyways, but it was an idea. So then I mixed up some of my Artistry Fast Set Epoxy, and I just did the first layer. So just putting that on nice and smooth over the whole cup. Then once that was cured, I'm taking this Wildflower Blue from Rust-Oleum, such a gorgeous color, and I'm painting the bottom like half-ish, but I'm kind of ombreing it towards the top. I kind of just want it to fade as it goes up. So once that was dry, taking some acetone to kind of clean off where we don't want the paint. So just taking a paper towel and just kind of rubbing off the extra paint at the top. You can see how it actually ombreed like all the way up the cup. I'm not wiping like complete smooth line. It kind of looks a little jaggedy. I think that really looks like the glaze they use on pottery, just how it's not a perfect line. I don't know, that's how it is in my head. I don't know how close it is, but I think it looked really cool. So then going on with another layer of epoxy so that we can do that whole process again with a different color. If you tried it right now, you couldn't get it further down without taking off the lighter blue. So this is a darker blue. You could use any colors with this, but I've seen a lot of the pottery ceramic pieces where they just do kind of 2 different colors or 2 different tones of the same color. So I wanted to do a lighter blue and a darker blue. But same concept, you're just spraying, kind of ombreing it towards the top, angling it. But this time we're gonna keep it lower on the cup. And same thing with the acetone, we're just removing further down so that the darker blue is less of the cup and you can still see the lighter blue. But because we have that layer of epoxy in between, you're not removing any of the lighter blue. So just keep going with that until you like how it looks. So that is where I ended it. I was happy with that. So then a final layer of epoxy to finish off this cup. Once the epoxy was cured, I'm going to make it matte on the top with Mattify. So I'm taking a non-abrasive pad. This is our white one. You could also use steel wool with the 4 zeros. But I'm basically just doing circular motions and I'm keeping it up on that taupe part. You don't need to tape it off or anything. It's not going to be a harsh line where the matte is, and that's fine. It just will give it kind of that matte effect on the top, and then the bottom stays glossy. And I think it turned out perfectly. It's exactly what I had in my head, and it's just beautiful. It does look more like ceramic pottery without the lid, so keep that in mind, but it's still a beautiful cup. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.